how to recover my eyes only snaps from Snapchat. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can recover my eyes only snaps on Snapchat if you accidentally delete them. So simply open up Snapchat on your phone, and then once you have Snapchat opened up, now from over here go to your memories, and then once you guys are in your memories, simply come over to your my eyes only snaps. Put in your password from over here, and then after that you guys are going to see your my eyes only snaps. From over here, simply click on the top right, and then simply click on delete snap. And then from over here, if you accidentally click on remove from my eyes only and they're gone, what you need to do is to just simply come back over to your snaps, and then over here you guys are gonna see your snaps over here. So basically they never get removed, they basically come over to your basic snap section. And if you want to move them over again to your my eyes only, click on the top right and click on my eyes only, and they are going to be moved over to my eyes only. So guys, that is how you can basically recover your my eyes only snaps. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, till next time, goodbye.